here in the US, you have to do self-service when you do gas, except New Jersey and somewhere. There's 2 states. Oh, I think it's only New Jersey here in America that
some places have full service, but New Jersey self-service is not allowed. Period.
as in the whole state,
The whole
New Jersey.
state of New Jersey, you're not allowed to pump your own gas.
Okay.
Well, because you've had problems with people not paying attention and spill all of it, even though the pumps shut off when the gas goes in.
But you have to pay extra
Well, Jersey's smart. They keep more jobs that way.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Think about how many more people have jobs because of that.
But in the Philippines, you always have like some people to pump your gas. There's no self-service in the Philippines, nothing. I think that's what I believe, because that's what I've been seeing the whole time. They always have somebody.
You don't really know. You don't drive, so you don't know.
No, hon, because I know. Why you said you don't know? Philippines is like have that.
Because if you're not a driver, how do you know it?
Because we ride jeepney. Jeepney always stop in the gasoline and taxi. So.
Yeah, but did you notice?
Of course.
Are they self-service and full service pumps? Like at gas stations, you'll see the pumps. Some will say full, some will say self.
No, it's always there's people there always. You guys comment, guys. You let me know, because I think I'm right.
I don't know. I'm just saying.
Yeah. I think I'm correct.
Even here, you go to the gas station, and there are always people there, but 3 of the pumps are full service and 3 of the pumps are self-service.
And they wear uniform. Whatever color is the gasoline station, they wear the same color with the uniform. It's not just like wear whatever you want. The people.
Well, it used to be like that.
It's uniform. Chrysler.
No, Chrysler. I'm talking about the model. Chrysler's a Crossfire. That's what it is. Crossfire. Oh, I'm thinking it says Chrysler on the back, but it's Crossfire.
Construction.
That's not Crossfire, actually.
Help. AAA. State Farm.
Yeah, somebody broke down. And the gas, bringing down the gas, or either flat tire fixed.
I think State Farm is better than AAA.
No, State Farm is not. It has nothing to do with that. State Farm is insurance.
Okay.
And every year, one car insurance company is responsible for having trucks on the road for people who break down. This year's it was Progressive a couple of years ago. Now it's State Farm. It'll change.
Okay.
The state makes it mandatory that they do that.
Close right here, guys, so they're not open. Let's see, it's dark. Oh, I can't even see nothing. Let's see. They're not open. So what time they're open? There's no time. They're not open yet, guys. But I'm gonna tell Tommy to park over there. Can you park in that side? Because there's a space in there. They're not open yet. There's no time also. I don't know why there's no time here. I think this is it's so weird. Probably they're already inside, but they don't wanna open yet. But there's no time.
That's the name of it. Golden Village.
No.
Yes.
Asian.
Golden Village.
So where's the Asian store? Asian supermarket.
Right, but look.
Okay, I know it. That's
Golden Village.
so they have 2 names.
Look at the window. See the lighted sign?
Okay.
Golden Village Supermarket.
So I guess they have 2 names. So I guess we'll wait, guys.
I did not tell you what time they open.
Yeah, no, there's nothing.
But you said there's people.
Just get one. This is November 4. Yeah, let's get the nicer one. This one. So we get this one. Tommy is so lazy to peel the garlic. Yeah, the nice. This is my first time going in this store, guys. I never been here. This is a weird store, guys. So weird. You don't need another chicken. We have chicken in the house I made yesterday. Oh my god. I'm tired of chicken. Well, you guys, why don't maybe have maybe they have Asian thing over here, cooked already. Salad, oh. Oh my god, they have a very nice cake over here, guys. Look at those cakes. It's empty. Empty here. They have just one.
Well, they're working on stuff.
Oh, but what's in there? Sesame chicken. No, it's spicy.
We'll bring you that too?
No.
Sure.
You can't turn over there, so you have to.
Okay.
Yeah. So we went already done shopping to ShopRite. So we're done here, guys. We're heading to Asian store now. We're going that way.
Again.
Yeah. Because they're not open till 10. So now it's 10:07. Hoping they're open or maybe they're closed. One time we went to Queen's to get some food. Expensive traffic, tolls, aggravation for my husband.
4 hours, go back and forth. So you can buy string beans.
Yeah, right, that's what I just buy.
4 hours.
And you know what? You offer Han and then he's bitching and who's feel bad? Me.
I didn't bitch, I bitched the traffic. Now you're saying I don't want to do it. Like 4 hours to buy string beans.
And he said, and he's bitching like, oh my god, and they're very expensive. Oh my god, how much we should. Well,
they're very expensive.
No, well, it's true also that very expensive.
$15 for toll, another $15 for gas.
No,
4 hours of driving, stand on line for an hour to pay.
The store itself is expensive. I know, I don't deny that. They're crazy money.
It take a whole day to buy string beans.
No, the whole thing is the Jollibee.
Oh wait, Jollibee! Oh my god!
First they open, guys. They're opening, and it's raining cold, and we like lined up like they're crazy, and we end up buying just a chicken. I think $80. Chicken and spaghetti.
Chicken and spaghetti and stuff like that.
Yeah, and my husband made fun.
They made $50,000 opening day.
Yeah.
They made a lot of free money.
Long line, cold day and raining.
And everybody was happy to be standing there in the rain.
Oh yeah, it's first opening, and a lot of Filipino in Queens, so everybody lined up, and it's just ridiculous. I'm not even happy. I mean, I'm not even happy that day because the chicken, I expected same thing in the Philippines. Well, the chicken in Jollibee here, to be honest, the best. Popeyes is better. Popeyes have best chicken. And it's spicy. When you're talking spicy, they're very spicy, like you're choking. Okay, we're finally here and they're open. Good morning.
Good morning. Hi.
Hi. So, we're finally here. They're open, guys. Oh, they have some suman here. Suman. What's in there? Malagkit. And they have balot also right here. Meron silang balot, guys. And more. Maybe, baka meron silang ice pack also here. Ice pack. Ice pack. Okay. This is the lumpia. Gusto ko tong lumpia. This is the lumpia. No, it's different. I can't find it now again. Ito ba yun? Pampanga? Yeah, this is it. Vegetable egg roll. This one, vegetable egg roll chicken. I got that. What else? Oh, he found it. It's different.
It's different, but it'll have to do.
Huh?
It'll have to do.
Yeah.
I don't know where it came from though.
Where did you can ask her?
Yeah.
You probably know. And they have some frozen stuff here. Let's see. Oh, turon. Let me try this turon. I don't know. Yun. Golden turon, $3. For how many pieces in here? It doesn't. Hindi naman sinabi kung ilan dito. 8 pieces pack. Okay, try ko nga to. See, I never tried that one. Okay. Meron pa sila ditong ano. Ito. Tilapia. Gusto ko to. Oh, headless. Walang ulo. Wala namang ulo. Ba't kinuna nila ng ulo? Ito. Ito yun. Gusto ko. Meron pa ako doon sa ano, sa isang bahay. So, let's see if I can find some dried fish. I don't like, hindi ko gusto yung mga ano nila. I want Eskinol, guys. Eskinol refreshing facial deep cleanser. Classic white blackheads. Gusto ko nito kasi wala akong panglinis. Ito. So, ito. I'm looking for yung ano, guys, yung calamansi. Gusto ko yung calamansi. Calamansi. Hindi ko makita baka dito. Look guys, they have buong one. It's $6. And I also found this thing. Rambutan. And they have this thing. I don't even know what is that. Do you know what's that?
I have no idea.
How to cook? They're 100%
I was going
cooked.
to ask you.
You can put it in the soup.
You can put it.
If you
No, I don't know what.
You can put it in the soup, anything.
Now we have to rush home because our dog doesn't eat anything, or the cat either.
Because the mama don't care.
Hon, I get up the same thing when you get out from the shower. And every time I come here alone, I don't spend 60. I always like spend like 30 something or 40.
What did I pick on? I picked a wasabi piece.
Yeah, right, that's it.
They cost me $1.39 a package.
I don't know why every time I go there alone, I don't spend that much. Because maybe I don't know.
My face makes you want to buy things.
Huh?
Maybe my face makes you want to buy things.
Makes me wanna buy things. Buy things. Anyway guys, we're heading home. Tommy go different route. So I don't know what route is this. While I'm cutting some olives, guys, I'm having this big bawang. It's really good. So good, guys. Even the kid ate it. I gave him 2 pieces. He ate it. I said it's a hard cheese. Perfect. Get down, Rox. Did you feed the dog?
Yeah, they eat now. I put the food, I put chicken. They didn't even go near it.
Okay. Don't give them extra. The dog doesn't eat their breakfast again, guys. They're being a brat. I have to wear glasses because onion. But doesn't help, guys. When you're wearing glasses and you're cutting onion won't help. You need a, how do you call that? The Miss out. Gavin. Gavin. You have to listen. Helmet. Shout out to Cora Jackman. Hi sis Cora. Enjoy visiting your son in Las Vegas. If you guys have any idea about Facebook, I have the Facebook, right guys, that Facebook page, and I want to change it. I want to convert it to how do you call that, the regular Facebook account. I'm looking on YouTube if there is any review or tutorial how to do it. I can't find any. So if you know something, guys, please leave a comment below. If you know that Facebook page, I want to change it to regular. Roxy just keep harassing Dimples in there. Stop harassing Dimples. Stop it, Roxy. That's Dimples. You're gonna get hurt. She whine. What do you want? Mama is cut. I know I have sunglasses. I know. Get down. Who wants some? Oh my god, it's ubi ensaymada, guys. It's ubi. Ubi ensaymada. It's cold now, so which is good. This is my... Do you want some, Han? You wanna try? Hey boy. So good. What? So good, guys. Ensaymada is good. But it's not fresh, it's not new baked. Superb na. Filipino bread style. Sweet, cheesy, ubi. I'm going to check the dog.
Ah.
Hi guys.
What are you doing out here? Hi, Rox. I have my baby girl right here. Hi, Misty. Hi, Rox. I'm eating bread. Do you want some bread? Mama's eating the ubi ensaymada. Misty, oh, you're such... You're Scotch. You're Scotch. Yes, you are Scotch. You're Scotch. Yes, don't grab my shirt. Do you want something, Misty? It tickles. Look at me. Misty, you're grabbing my shirt. You're such a cute little puppy. Yes, you are cute. Yes, you are cute little puppy. Yeah? Oh, you just keep clicking. Don't be jealous, Roxy. Don't be jealous, Rox. No jealous, Rox. What are you doing, Rox?
Oh,
Stop it. Yes. Come on. Are you ready to go inside? Are you ready to go inside? Is that what you want? You ready to go inside? Is that what you want? Are you having fun with your Spanish rice?
oh yeah, thrills.
Go.
Why? I'm not going to turn it or anything. We're just going to take pictures of whatever you want to do.